Tourist weekend again. Natin yung holiday, kaya we're on the way to Paris again. Here in France.
Look how much police is here at this beautiful place, of course. I understand that. I don't understand that actually. There is so much police. Look there, they are just leaving from here. There's police everywhere. I think already here there were 500 people.
Start at today, pero still grabe ang mga police, pero mas grabe kahapon syempre kasi opening kahapon ng Olympic here in Paris. Yes, so kaya medyo heto as you see ang surrounding, pero at least hindi masyadong marami ang tao. Pero makita mo lahat Olympic for the Olympic. Yun, pati ang kanilang, look, ang kanilang arena, ang kanilang football stadium ay powerful para sa Olympic. May mga design. O, diba? So, maganda. Ganda ng arena nila. So, all over you see the spirit of the Olympic here in Paris. So, ayan ang kanilang arena. Oh, sana makapanood tayo kaso mahal ang ticket kaya dito lang kami sa labas. Ayan, dito na lang picture sa malayo kasi may mga harang. O, diba? So, at least na-arouse namin kahit Olympic, hindi naman masyadong maraming gano'n ng tao. And now, goodbye Paris. Just for few days at kami ay maglalakwat siya sa other side naman ng France. Thank you so much guys for watching. Ayan, kami Yarda na naman. This is your Kalakwachera, Kalakwachero with our family. Yes, papasyal muna namin sila. So, pupunta kami doon sa malapit sa boundary ng Belgium naman.